I hate fingerprints and smears and all of that on all of my stuff. But I don't have time to pull out cleaners and wipes every single time I see one little fingerprint. So I end up leaving it there, and it drives me crazy. And so, because I hated them so much, I invented this. Say hello to Jiffys, your new magic eraser for all fingerprints.
Jiffys are restickable, reusable cleaning pads that erase fingerprints from fridges, watermarks on mirrors, smudges on your touchscreen devices, and safely clean any type of eyeglasses without scratching the lenses. In a jiffy. They're designed to save you time, instantly removing fingerprints right when you see them without having to stop what you're doing. You see fingerprints, you find your jiffy nearby, erase the smudges, stick it close by for future use, and get back to what you were doing. They're washable and reusable to restore both the sticky texture and cleaning powers for long-lasting use, and come in 4 sizes per set for effective cleaning of any size job. From wiping down large surfaces like TVs and car windshields, to precision cleaning of tiny things like eyeglasses, camera lenses, and gun scopes. So boom, when I see fingerprints, I just find my Jiffys nearby, erase them, and stick it back in place to conveniently grab and use in the future.
Love the fact that on the paper they give you washable, reusable, lifetime warranty.
Big one here, and it's really great. Look, you can get rid of all the marks. I would say get some of these, they're brilliant.
iPad and my laptop screen, but my favorite is in the car on my navigation screen.
They are a perfect blend of microfiber cloth and sticky back.
They are forever sticking. You just wash,
run them under water, maybe a little bit of soap, and leave them to air dry, and they're good as new.
Dass sie in vielen verschiedenen Größen gibt und sobald sie einmal schmutzig.
My hand on it takes it off the door handle. If I've got spots in here, put it right here, and have it right there if I ever need it.
So if you're thinking, these are incredible, you want to learn more or even back the campaign, which would be awesome, simply scroll below to check out the pledges, because
I'll show a lot more examples later on in the video. But this whole idea came about from one interaction I had back in November of last year, when I set up my first booth at a consumer expo for Covered. Look how nice it looks. Shout out to my mom who decorated the whole thing and worked the booth the entire time with me.
She helped me all sync a day.
Just for the water bears alone, I demoed it over 400 times in 3 short days. And in that demoing, I met the wonderful Mrs. Kate. After doing my little demo, I stuck one of the water bears on the back of her phone and I told her to keep it. The next day, she returned to the expo with amazing news about something that had happened the night before.
Okay, so these things are amazing on stainless steel. I came here to the show, he gave me a free sample for my phone, which is awesome. And then I used it on my phone, my laptop, my monitor at work, because I wanted to make sure it worked before I came and bought a ton. And then I was like, I'm gonna try the fingerprints off my stainless steel fridge, and guess what? It totally worked. So I am back for that, and I'm buying these for my sisters for their stainless fridge because we've all been wondering what to do for our fridge, and now we know.
Are you kidding me? Okay, then she turns around and she hard sells 2 other ladies to buy my product, the water bears, to remove fingerprints from those ladies' fridges. She's heaven sent. Then she pulled me aside and said, if I could give a suggestion, the only things I would do is make larger sizes to clean bigger surfaces, and if possible, see if you can create like a new cloth material so it safely works on all kitchen appliances, and even sliding glass doors, and even mirrors in my home and my car. If you can do that, you'd have a winner. So I reached out to a bunch of people to know if this was like a product worth pursuing, and then spent the next 6 months prototyping, testing out larger sizes, tweaking the blend, adding a little bit of pizzazz to it, and getting help from over 300 super backers to make Jiffys the best it possibly can be. Now, the most notable differences are threefold. First, they'll come in 4 sizes and include 11 in each set. Now, the large are 4 fingers wide and work great on fridges, TV screens, and mirrors. The mediums are 3 fingers wide and perfect for monitors, laptops, and touchscreens in cars. The smalls are 2 fingers wide and are preferred for phones and tablets. And the extra smalls are the size of a fingertip, designed for precision cleaning of all eyeglasses, scopes, and camera lenses. Second, I infused antimicrobial agents into our proprietary material. So Jiffys not only remove bad bacteria, they disinfect the surface too, all without need of sprays or cleaners. And third, Jiffys erase fingerprints from basically everything, so all your stainless steel appliances in your kitchen, mirrors throughout your home, and glass throughout your house. What we haven't changed is that they're still washable and reusable. So when the stickiness wears off or it gets too dirty, simply rinse it off with water and air dry to restore its sticky texture and cleaning powers to use over and over again. And finally, Jiffys come with our lifetime warranty. So if the stickiness wears off for good, it doesn't clean like it used to, or you even lose it, simply let us know. Help us cover shipping and handling, and we'll replace them with brand new ones for forever. I am so proud of all the products that we've created, but Jiffys are the ones that I am most proud of because the whole thing came about from a collaborative effort. Heck, I even created the water bears like 2 years ago, but it wasn't until I met Kate and she used it in a totally different way that it opened up the opportunity for Jiffys. And that really resonates with me. That is, the best ideas emerge from a group of people coming together, focused on trying to make something amazing that will help the most amount of people in the most impactful way possible. And I really feel like Jiffys is an embodiment of that idea. Fingerprints are everywhere, but there needs to be a convenient solution to instantly erase all of them, whenever and wherever they pop up. So, if you've backed one of our campaigns in the past, you're a fan of amazing deals, or you're like me, and you just want to keep things clean and shiny without having to stop what you're doing, back us today. Because with us, you're covered. Okay, if you've stuck around this long, I've got a little Easter egg for you. So I've collected all of the little bloopers that we had during the making of the Kickstarter video, compiled them nicely into a succinct little sequence, and now present it to you. Enjoy. I hate fingerprints. I hate fingerprints.
3, 2, 1.
So if you're thinking, these are incredible, you want to learn more or even back the campaign, which would be awesome, just scroll below to check out the pledges.
This might go on the Kickstarter campaign.
Whoa, 3 sets? Dude, this is like a semi-lifetime supply of water bears.
Say hello to him.
Here we are. This one I call Helga. This one I call Berta.
Do it good on my phones, my iPads. This one cleans all my camera lenses.
You can have them too if you want.
2, 1.